He's not in my will, don't worry.
How you doing, buddy?
My birthday's next Wednesday.
Now, today we had a pretty nice little group, and I'll tell you what, the weather down here is so weird. The trip before last, I think it hit 89, 90 degrees, and today, thank God, we get to wear jackets again. And here comes our buddy Glenn. Well, here's a map to kind of give you an idea where we're going, and I think it's only like, what, 76 or 78 miles. We're going to Bunnell. Right here is where the restaurant's at. And I realized later on, I've been here before in the past. We took the same route home. All right, let's do it. This is the Raceway in East Palatka. This has become one of our stops. You can see Glenn on the left doing his pose and stuff. And uh-oh, we have a copycatter here. See it? All right. Time for us to move on. Here we're at the light leaving the race. Oh yeah, baby, it is time to feed. And the way it worked out, it looks like we got here just about the right time. Because in a few minutes, by the time we get up there to order, and then we look behind us, we're like, where did all the people come from? You see what I'm talking about right here? Wow, that was close. And after we got our food, they had more tables over here, and this is where we ate. You notice I don't get too much video when we eat. There's Glenn eating, and there's Barry. And right here, this is what I got, the Chuck Wagon Country Fried Steak. They had a $5 and they had a $7.50. I said, what's a $7.50? And they said, 2 patties. And I said, sounds good to me. Now, we go past this quite often. And I think from now on, this might be one of the stops on the way home to get a bite to eat before that long little track on 100.
I got pizza and then you said 14 slices later, I felt like dying. He got to his third one, and he didn't even eat the crust.
That's what the mill out by said, oh, you won't break that sucker. That thing weighs about 40 pounds. That's a chunk of steel.
Well, what you gotta say, Glenn?
The food was good.
But it's
Steak and cheese sandwich was great, excellent.
Because I bought this.
Mine was too. The Chuck Wagon.
I gotta say, definitely a nice picture of their city hall.
So he went around the cop and just kept going.
Yeah, he went right around the cop and then went about 100 feet up park.
You know, the only thing we're missing is a fire right there. Go to high level.
Well, now it's time for us to get together and get our group going back towards Gainesville. We will have one more stop. Here we are. We just left the restaurant. We're just across the street. As soon as we leave here, like I said, we'll be heading back towards Gainesville with a stop over in Melrose. While we were right here, I figured we'd go ahead and get a few pictures of the group. So here's a few pictures of the group. Now, we don't always make a video of our trip, but one thing that we always do, a lot of you know, is we put our pictures on our Facebook page, the album, for that day, wherever we're going. It's titled, and that's where all these pictures are coming from right now. Well, this also has become one of our stops in Melrose, Chapini's. Probably saying it right, because I'm usually pretty good at saying it. But neat little place to stop, and they have a lot going on here now and then. We just haven't participated yet.
Something ain't funny? Is that what you say? No?
Everybody have fun. Fun, 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 fun.
Beer rolled up inside and listed in the cooler.
Well, this once again brings us to the end of our video. I think everybody had fun, and I didn't hear no complaints about food. Right here in Melrose, we're only, I don't know, 15 minutes from Gainesville. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the ride here. And, gosh, Bike Week starts tomorrow, I think. We'll see you guys on the road later.